In module number 19, we will learn about introduction to bone setup or the joint setup in Maya. So easily you can rig the character, and here we will also learn what kind of things we should keep into the mind whenever we are going to draw the joints or the bone in Maya application. Now let's switch to the software and have a look how you can work onto the biped rigging here.
Hi everyone. So in this session we will make the bone structure of this model. So let's continue. Now I have a model which we have combined it in previous tutorial. Now I have a clear look. Before getting into bone, you should look at your model that each and every poly will be aligned properly, and you should have a clean poly. As you can see here, it doesn't have any meshing and all, it has a clean poly. So you should have a clean poly like this. So now I will just insert some bones, will animate afterwards. So at first we'll add some bones. So now what I will doing, I will not go to this view, I will just go to left or front. So let's focus in this view, and now I will go to animation, and after that we'll go to skeletal. Here you have the joint tool. If I click here, now I will make the bones. Click, 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 click and click. Enter. As you can see, we have just made this bone for the feet, and this is for the knee. This part basically for shoe. So if I press 6, our bone will be lost because it's inside the model. So what we have to do, we will go to shading and we have X-ray joints. Now you can see properly the joint is showing, or you can also click over here, click X-ray joints. Now you can easily touch up your joints, and we have to modify it. If I press insert, now you can modify it because modifications is very important. Okay, this thing should be light here, and this will go upward little bit of it, and we'll press insert again. So now we'll go to the front view. What I will do, just now pressing 6, and we'll select the bone and we'll move here. So little bit of adjustment we required, so we will adjust in perspective, X-ray joints, or you can also do it by shading. Here you have the X-ray joints panel. So I think this part need to be little bit of more here, and this part here, and this part here. Okay, fine. Now we have to focus on the spline. So for spline, again go to joint tool, and as you can see here, this is the parent bone because we have made it and we have just started from here, and it will just follow the bone. So if you can select here, these are the children, these are the children, and this is the parent. So make sure that whenever you make this spline, you will start from downward direction, because we don't require it from topward, because we have to just make the pelvis as a parent bone. So I will click, 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 click. Okay, we will make modification later words. Click and click. So this is for head region, this is basically for the face, this is for neck, this is for shoulder, and this is the spine. One thing you have noticed that this has been curved because our spine is curved little bit of S shape. So we will just make the spline also in S shape, so that would be better. And so now I will press insert and will adjust it like this way. We'll adjust it here, and we'll just move here. We'll select this part, we'll move here. We'll select this part, we'll move up to here. Fine. Let's check from the front. I think it's working quite well, and we'll press insert again. So as you can see, it's in the center. So just put over the center, and I think we have to just shift this thing here. Shift this thing here. We'll press enter. So no, it's not in this center. Control Z. Now it's in the center. Oh, it's displaced, so no problem. Okay, now what we have here, we will just duplicate this bone. Laterwards we have to focus on the hand. Make sure that you will make a new version. So I will just go to save as, will make a new version, and now I will go to top, will press 6 button for shading view, and I will just go to shading and X-ray joints. So now I will focus on the hand. So I will make the left part. So for that, joint tool, click, click, click. So as you can see, we have made it, and joint tool, click, click and click, enter, click, click. Thing 2 is fine. So what I will do now, I will just select this bone, go to channel box, will decrease its radius by 0.2. Same with this one, because if I decrease from here, display, animation and joint size, then what happens, it will decrease all of them. So I don't need that part. So what I will do, I will decrease by manually, that would be better. So okay, I will keep here, and if we I kept the size of it like 0.5, that it would be better for me. So no problem, because we have to just select this and we'll just move. I think we also have to click like 0.5. So now it's okay. We'll press the insert button and we'll move up over here. We'll press insert button again. Now we will just select the both of them, and what we will do, we'll select this part and we'll do the P. So now it's been connected. So this part need to be go up to here. If you press F, it will focus on that particular section. Okay, if you press Control spacebar, it will maximize your view. So I am in maximize mode. So now one more thing is that I have to add one more bone to it. So that's going to join tool, click and click. Now we'll select this bone, select this part, and P, parented the same. So it's displaced, will insert and will just move up to here, move up to here. because it's a tedious work, so you need lot of patience to do the same. That thing will move over here. And we'll press the insert again. We'll select this part, we'll select this part, P to parent it. We'll select this part, we'll select this part, P to parent it. Now, if I press the pelvis bone, all the bone will be selected. Control Z. And now, as you can see, we had just make the bones. You can do such sort of changes also. If you increase the quantity of the bone, that doesn't matter, but if you can arrange it well, then it would be fine. So it's very important to arrange the bone. And one more thing is that this thing need to be modified little. So what I will do, instead of putting over here, I will just put over here, and for this I will prefer to go to insert and will put over here, somehow here. And one more thing, we have to give the jaw bone. So for that, what I will do, go to skeleton joint, click, enter. So here I have a particular bone specifically dedicated for jaw, and we'll go to front. Let's see. Fine. We'll select this part, we'll select this part, P for parenting it. So now it's been connected, our bone has been connected, and in next session we will just mirror the same in this axis, and we'll also work in the coordinate system of it. So let's meet to the next session, and make sure that you're saving a file. So again I will make a new version of it, and we'll rename this y_003. So let's meet to the next session.